On this Burnout Extra, I'm going to be reviewing one of the products that we've purchased that is lights for our garage. These lights came in this box right here. They're an 8,000 lumens light that you can pretty much screw into a normal light socket. And the reason why I love these so much is because this particular one is actually cheap. Now you can find ones that are 1200 lumens or even brighter, or sometimes they have 4 panels. But this one is, as of right now, $19.99, so it's fairly on this cheaper spectrum. And this one I bought on Amazon, 2-day shipping. The company's great. It came very well packaged, and it even came with a light socket if you don't have one already. So although it is plastic, you can technically attach this to your ceiling or wherever you may need it, and you can technically just screw it right into this. Is this part particularly quality? I wouldn't say so. If you have your own light plug, I definitely use that. But it comes like this, it looks like this. These panels can be adjustable, just like so. So if you're working on a certain project and need a specific angle, you can definitely adjust it. It would screw in just like this and hang down like so. It does get hot and it does hang down a little bit more. So if you're somebody who doesn't have a lot of ceiling height or can't really deal with hot equipment near the ceiling, then this may not be the product for you. As I mentioned, it screws right into the bulb socket that you already have installed in most houses, and it is 8,000 lumens. So comparatively, that's much brighter than the normal lights or LED lights that you would put in otherwise. For a garage or a warehouse that's particularly small, maybe it's a 1-person or 1-car, 2-car garage, something like this is perfect. Now, they do sell ones that have bigger panels here. This is the actual part of the light that will light up. I will say I do wish these panels were a little bit bigger. However, you'll be shocked how much light this can produce as is. And I'll put a before and an after picture right here. So this is the before picture. You can see that there's a normal bulb screwed in. And then this is the after picture and how much brighter it is. Now I'll put them side by side and you can actually tell that 8,000 lumen light is just a whiter light in general. It will bring more of a natural look as opposed to that yellow hint that most older light bulbs give off. Now, does it have an amazing range? Absolutely not. But it's $20 or roughly $20 on Amazon, and that's obviously cheap as to where you could buy 4 of them, light up your garage or basement, and everything will be swell. As I mentioned, you can hang these in your barn, garage, workshop, whatever it may be, but these lights are great, and the link is down in the description if you want to use that link to go directly to the source of Amazon and purchase them from the same link that I purchased them. We've since bought over 4 of these in both of our garages for Burnout, and they've been very helpful along the way. Definitely like the video if this was helpful. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel as well and watch our YouTube channel grow. Thank you for watching, and until next time.